Imagine a world where you can drive anywhere without ever stopping to charge your car, a car that generates its own energy while moving, a car that could change the future of transportation forever. That world is no longer science fiction. Right now, in 2025, a team of African innovators has unveiled a self-charging electric vehicle that is turning heads across the globe and challenging even the mightiest of electric car giants, Tesla. This car isn't just an electric vehicle. It's a statement that innovation can come from anywhere and that the future of mobility might not belong to Silicon Valley alone. This vehicle is designed with groundbreaking technology that allows it to harness energy from its environment continuously. It uses a combination of solar panels, kinetic energy recovery systems, and a proprietary battery that can store far more energy than conventional EVs. What does this mean for the driver? Simply put, you can drive longer distances, explore remote areas, and never worry about running out of power. The average driver spends hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars annually on electricity or charging. With this vehicle, that cost could drop to almost nothing. What makes this innovation even more fascinating is the team behind it. African engineers, entrepreneurs, and energy scientists collaborated over several years, overcoming significant challenges including infrastructure limitations, high temperatures, and uneven terrain, which are common across the continent. Their design isn't just about technology, it's about resilience, adaptability, and solving real-world problems. Unlike many high-end EVs that cater to luxury markets, this car is designed to be affordable, practical, and sustainable for everyday use. Videos of the vehicle in action have already gone viral online. People are amazed to see it cruising through city streets, highways, and even rural areas without ever needing a recharge. Viewers are captivated by the smooth handling, futuristic design, and the glowing energy lines that indicate it's actively generating power. Social media comments are flooded with astonishment, questions, and curiosity. People are asking, how does it work? When will it be available? Can it really replace Tesla? The answer, surprisingly, might be yes. Early tests have shown that this car can run for hundreds of miles using energy harvested from sunlight and movement alone. The car's kinetic energy recovery system captures the energy normally lost during braking and transfers it back into the battery. Meanwhile, integrated solar panels on the roof, hood, and even sides of the car provide additional power whenever sunlight is available. Engineers have reported that on a sunny day, the car could theoretically drive indefinitely in urban settings. In real-world testing, it has completed long-distance trips that would have required multiple stops for a conventional EV.
The impact of this innovation goes beyond juste convenience.
Environmental experts are calling it a potential game-changer in the fight against climate change. Unlike fossil fuel-powered cars, or even standard EVs that rely on electricity generated from non-renewable sources, this vehicle produces zero emissions while driving. It addresses one of the biggest criticisms of electric cars today, the environmental cost of charging and battery production. By creating a self-sustaining EV, the team has potentially paved the way for a truly green, independent transportation solution. Tesla, of course, has dominated the global electric car market for over a decade. Its vehicles are known for cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and high prices. But the African self-charging EV is proving that ingenuity and vision don't require a Silicon Valley address. With a combination of affordability, sustainability, and convenience, this vehicle could attract a massive audience that traditional EVs have failed to reach. It's not just an alternative, it could become the preferred option for millions of drivers worldwide. The company behind this EV has ambitious plans. By 2026, they aim to mass-produce the vehicle and distribute it not just across Africa but globally. They are targeting price points that ordinary consumers can afford, not just tech enthusiasts or luxury buyers. This move could disrupt the entire automotive industry. Analysts predict that if the vehicle performs as promised, it could force Tesla, Ford, and GM to rethink their strategies and accelerate their own development of self-sustaining EVs. The design of the car itself is futuristic yet practical. Sleek aerodynamic lines reduce drag, while the body is made from lightweight, recycled materials that enhance efficiency. Inside, it features a high-tech interface with smart navigation, autonomous driving options, and real-time energy monitoring. The seats are designed for comfort over long distances, and the cabin includes solar-powered air conditioning and heating systems, further reducing reliance on external electricity. Beyond the car itself, the cultural and economic impact is significant. Africa has often been portrayed in global media as a place of challenges, not innovation. This vehicle challenges that narrative, showing the world that Africa can be a hub for high-tech solutions. It could inspire a new generation of engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs across the continent to pursue ambitious projects and innovate on a global scale. This self-charging EV is more than a car, it's a symbol of possibility, creativity, and empowerment. The media reaction has been intense. Tech blogs, automotive websites, and global news outlets have all covered the launch, calling it revolutionary, unbelievable, and a serious threat to traditional EV manufacturers. Video footage showing the car in motion is being shared across platforms, racking up millions of views. Industry experts are debating its long-term feasibility, while enthusiasts are already planning pre-orders and test drives. One of the most impressive aspects of this innovation is the engineering ingenuity. The combination of solar charging, regenerative braking, and energy-efficient design is unprecedented at this scale. Engineers have solved complex problems, such as how to store surplus energy safely, how to prevent battery degradation over time, and how to maintain performance in extreme weather conditions. The car's battery management system continuously monitors energy input and output, optimizing power use to ensure maximum efficiency. Imagine the possibilities if this technology becomes mainstream. Road trips across continents without stopping for charging stations, reduced carbon emissions globally, and affordable, reliable transportation for millions who previously could not access high-quality vehicles. Countries with limited charging infrastructure could leapfrog traditional EV adoption, embracing this self-sustaining model instead. It could redefine not just transportation but energy consumption and urban planning as well. Investors are taking notice. Several venture capital firms and sustainable energy funds are exploring partnerships to scale production. Governments are showing interest too, seeing the potential economic and environmental benefits. This could lead to job creation, new manufacturing hubs, and increased investment in local tech industries. Critics, of course, remain skeptical. Some question whether the car can truly sustain itself indefinitely, whether mass production is feasible, and how maintenance will work in different regions. Yet, the company has been transparent about challenges, offering detailed explanations and test results to prove the concept. Early adopters report impressive results, and continuous improvements are being made based on real-world feedback. The global electric vehicle market is on the verge of transformation. With rising fuel costs, environmental concerns, and consumer demand for innovative solutions, the timing of this African self-charging EV could not be better. It's not just a technological marvel, it's a solution to real-world problems, combining efficiency, affordability, and sustainability. As more people learn about this vehicle, the hype will continue to grow. Social media campaigns, influencer test drives, and viral videos will fuel curiosity and demand. The narrative is clear: innovation isn't limited by geography, and Africa has just delivered a vehicle that could rival the best in the world. Driving a car that charges itself, never stops for fuel, and costs far less to maintain than conventional EVs is no longer a dream, it's a reality. The African self-charging EV is a glimpse into the future of transportation, where clean energy, smart engineering, and accessibility converge. Tesla may have been first, but this innovation proves that the future is wide open, and anyone with vision and determination can reshape the industry. This is more than a car. It's a movement. A challenge to conventional thinking, a statement that technology can flourish anywhere, and proof that bold ideas can change the world. The African self-charging EV is not just a competitor to Tesla, it's a symbol of hope, ingenuity, and possibility. And as the first models begin rolling off production lines and onto streets worldwide, one thing is clear: the age of self-sustaining vehicles has begun, and Africa is leading the charge.